Hello friends, you are watching Coding O'Clock. Today we went to see how to copy text from any video. So first of all, open any of your browser. Now type Chrome extension in the search bar. You will have some such interface open in front of you. Then simply you have to click on this link, and the Chrome web store has been opened. Now we will write the name of the extension in the search panel, which is Select Text. After pressing enter, something like this interface will open. The extension has the name Select Text, copy text from video. Now we will click on the option of Add to Brave. After giving it permission, it will be installed. As we can see, there is the Try Now button, so we will click on it. So to copy text from any video, pause the video and an S symbol will appear on the left side above the video. Click on it. After clicking on the symbol, it will process and create a green box on the text. Now we have to select these green boxes and it will be copied automatically. You can use copy text anywhere. As we have now paused the video and selected the green boxes, they were copied and we pasted them into the box. So, we can apply this process to any video and copy any text. Many thanks to you for watching the video. If you like the video, then please give a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.